me. Hi guys. Today we are going to zoo. It's gonna be a special zoo. It's gonna be a surprise for Uki. Are you looking forward?
Yes, I'm so excited.
Hi guys. As I promised, I took Uki today to some zoo. Is it gonna be the Bali Bird Park? No, it's gonna be the Reptile Park.
Look, I'm scared. Yes. So, how does it feel? How do you feel?
Cold.
Sabrina.
I'm here with Sabrina today. How long they live?
More than 25 years.
25.
Okay, I think baby's enough. Breathe. Enough.
He wants to see the snake now.
No. No, David wanna try that big snake. Oh my god. Yeah.
Oh.
Ya. Agak ke tengah nih.
This is the first stop.
Ini foto, ini video aja ya. Agak ke tengah.
No. How do you feel, baby?
Good. I just didn't want him to kiss me.
So aggressive. He's moving. Baby, wait. 1, 2, 3. How do you feel, baby?
Good. I'm happy that he did not kiss me.
Welcome to our petting area.
You can pet any kind of the reptile inside.
It's not fun.
3 years old.
Wow!
Older than you.
You want shake?
I see your heart is aiming for more. Your light take me to shore, so strong even when I fall. Oh, it's no game, no tricks and no reclaim. I keep replaying.
We are in the Tegunungan waterfall. We're gonna show you the one of the famous waterfall in Bali. Welcome!
So this is our second stop today.
Yep.
After Bali Reptile Park, we decided to see one waterfall. What's the name of the waterfall?
The Gunungan waterfall.
The Gunungan waterfall.
Yes.
And it's around 15 to 20 minutes away from the Bali Reptile Park. It's near Ubud, so again, if you are in this area, it's a good tip for half day or 1 day trip and see two things nearby.
Spend 2 days here.
Last stop today is the glass bridge. We are at the beginning, so wish us luck to finish it all and not to finish down.